Hi everybody, my name is Bookie and I'm here today for the Good Eve channel. And today I'm going to be discussing with you 6 online income streams that you can use to make money. So, why am I discussing this today? Well, you know what? A new day, a new idea. Ideas are the seeds of anything that becomes great. And so, what we're discussing today are ideas of things that you can do to start something in the online space. I mean, let's be honest and let's face it. The future is virtual. More people are meeting their partners, for instance, online than they're meeting them face to face, like say in a grocery store or in a church program or even at work. And with the advent now of more people working remotely and working and never really having to go in or going into their physical offices, very rarely, the online space and the online market landscape is going to continue to grow and evolve. So, thinking about a future, thinking about business, thinking about income, you must get to a point where you're more and more versatile online. I know a few people who currently work multiple jobs, full-time jobs for that matter, because they work remotely. And what is that going to mean in terms of future incomes? We're not even quite sure. The reality is it's a great opportunity for you to make up some lost ground and grow and build wealth for the long term, so that perhaps your goal is to retire a little bit earlier, or to get to a point where you can maybe take off a year and take a sabbatical of your own and travel and experience different things without being bothered about the stress of work or a job. Understanding and having an online business gives you that versatility to live anywhere, move to a much cheaper, country that has maybe good weather, really affordable food, affordable healthcare, and live a really good quality of life. You can set your own rules, basically. So let's back away from the dreams and get to how we can make some of these dreams happen for us. And that's why thinking about what online business that you can start this year is so important. Now, before I get started with the 6 ideas I want to share with you today, since I'm giving you 6, I'm asking you to give me 6 back. Share this with 6 people. People who you feel can use it, who you feel could benefit from it, who you know are interested in share this type of interest that you and me, have here at Good Eve. I also want to ask that you give me a thumbs up because I know you love my content. So it's free. You don't have to pay a single penny for giving me a thumbs up. So just give me that gift. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. The more likes I get, the more shares I get, the more they promote this content. And as a woman of color, a Black woman, it's really hard for me to get these likes and get these eyeballs. So I'm going to ask that you provide that support to support my business, so that it can continue to grow and I can continue to bring you good content every week as I have been doing. So we're going to start with the first point: e-commerce. And so for those of us, a lot of us grew up with moms or aunties or family members or even dads who did what we would call in Nigeria buying and selling, trading. It's just taking the same concept, but you're going to put it online. You have a page, you learn to display what you have for sale, your wares. You put prices, there's pricing that's clear, you'll make a profit on that pricing, and then you begin to promote. So even if you have a physical location, obviously these goods come from somewhere. They don't come from, heaven, as we would say. They exist somewhere. But you're also creating an online platform where people can go and view your goods and buy your goods. Look, the traffic in Nigeria can be crazy in certain places. And for instance, if you like things and they're in another state, guess what? No, gone are the days where you have to look for one friend or one relative that lives in that state to help you. If your assets, if your wares or your goods are available, properly cataloged and available online, people can just buy from you. So you don't have to be in Lagos. You don't have to be in Abuja. Those expensive hubs and places to live. No, you can be in Ondo. You can be in Anambra. You could be in any other state. There's very good delivery services, GIG. I can't say many good things. I can't say enough about how good the delivery services are. They'll get those things to wherever you need to get them to in Nigeria. So you can be in Anambra and send things to Jigawa. They will get it to them. So you have no excuse. This is a good opportunity for you to ramp up what it is you have to sell, what it is you have to produce. Second business idea for online would be drop shipping. Now, the idea behind drop shipping, it's a juggling act. So, and if you're going to do this, the first thing I would say upfront, you need to be honest with your clients about waiting times. So the way drop shipping may work is you have a page, you have your platform, you're selling it on Instagram or wherever your social media, your business, your online business presence is. And then you have the items that you are selling and you're on selling for a third party. So whether they're getting the goods from China, whether they're getting the goods from Dubai, whether they're getting the goods from Anambra, whether you're getting the goods from Undu, whether you're getting the goods from Mushi, you actually don't have custody of those goods. It's when someone buys and pays from you, then because you have a pre-existing relationship with those suppliers, they now supply to you. So you have to be careful with certain things with this, because what the benefit of drop shipping is you don't have to warehouse the goods. You can just send your dispatch person, they go to that third party's warehouse, they pick up the goods and they deliver it to your customers. So if you're really good at marketing, gathering people, you have a good followership, maybe you have 2,000, 3,000 people following you, and you found you've been able to sell some things to them and they say, okay, she's honest, she's reputable, I can sell to her, I can buy from her. It's a great platform for you to take advantage of. But you really need to vet your vendors properly so they don't disappoint you. You need to make sure that if you're selling a product today, and today maybe you have like 20 products that you're promoting, make sure they have sufficient volumes of those products so that you don't take orders and then you now have to return the money to your clients or you have to disappoint them. And if your clients are particular about colors, promote those colors. So if you're like, look, I'm going to promote red, blue, and white t-shirts, let your vendor know to reserve a certain number of red, blue, and white t-shirts. If they have a large volume, because these are importers, they may have hundreds of thousands of them, they're ready to set aside 100 of each color for you. Then you go to town. And once you've sold and gotten the 100 in, you go to your dropshipper, you take orders from there, they can sort it for you, and you can begin to dispatch. So drop shipping is really good because if you don't have a lot of money also to get started, it doesn't require you necessarily to buy a lot of inventory. They may require you to make some kind of commitment, of course, but not, you can easily sell far more. So even if the commitment you've made is for 300 pieces, if you go on and sell 1,000, because they have an understanding, once you're just keeping them abreast, you're just calling them and they're reserving it. But you must manage those relationships well. Don't make these guys reserve for you. You've gotten your money, you're refusing to give them. They won't release the goods or they won't give you that privilege the next time. But manage your clients as well so they're not expecting same day delivery. With drop shipping, there's always a lag of at least reasonably a week to 2 weeks. That's if the items, the goods are in Nigeria. If they're not in Nigeria, you're talking about a longer lead time that includes delivery. So let them know it's a pre-order. We're taking pre-orders, which is even good. If they pay and they're able to get the color, then you can have your customer service person, or you can get back to them and let them know, oh, we don't have white anymore, we only have red. We don't have blue anymore, we only have green. So it's really important that with drop shipping, you do really good relationship management, but it's a really lucrative way to grow and to get into an online business. Another one I would say you should think about is real estate marketing. So with this, everyone knows about physical agents. They send you WhatsApp messages. They send you WhatsApp lists of, oh, these are all my listings. But how many people are doing it online? You can promote and market properties online. Take a video when you're there, put it on your Instagram, put it on your Facebook, put it on YouTube, and promote this content to as many people as possible. I'm telling you, it's a really good way to help you get visibility and to sell homes. People will approach you and they know for you to put your face out there, to put your name out there, you must be a person of credibility. Just make sure you actually are a person of credibility. But don't worry, people will always do their checks anyway. But there's so much knowledge because there's so much concern and there's so much the process to buying a home and registering properties in Nigeria can seem very opaque in practice. So there's an opportunity there to shed a lot of light, to share a lot of light on these steps, the micro steps people can take, the checks they can put in place so that they can make sure that they have an effective sale. But all around, continue to market your properties online. It's a really good business and you make a commission, right? Fourth online business you should consider is Instagram influencing. Look, if you are fashionable, if you are stylish, if you like to talk about lifestyle, if you are someone who enjoys taking lots of pictures, you're always the one taking pictures, you're always recording, you're always making those little video reels and sharing it with friends and family, you can monetize that. In being an Instagram influencer, you're the person that when we look at your friends on Facebook, you have 10,000 or you have 5,000. You just organically have a lot of people. You're a social butterfly at school. You have so many other students and friends following you. That's your network. That's a potential income from you. And it doesn't have to necessarily be about fashion alone. You can be a thought influencer. It could be motivational. It can be about business. It can be about investing. It can be about your faith. It can be about so many different things. It can be about skills acquisition, depending on your market and your demographic and what people tend to respond to really well on your posts. Instagram influencing is a really, really good opportunity there, and you don't need so many followers to begin to earn a good income from it. What brands want to see is what kind of interaction, what kind of engagement are you getting when you post, when you interact with your followers. So definitely think about Instagram influencing. It's a really good platform for that right now. Blogging, having a blog, telling your stories, sharing information, becoming a place where people can gather online to get information is really good. Gossip blogs are, of course, always very, very popular. People love to know what's going on anywhere they are in the world. So story blogs are also very popular because there are lots of people who feel bad and guilty about reading gossip blogs for religious or faith-based reasons. And so even short story fictional blogs that just tell a story and people get to follow and interact, and they have a place where they can have a discussion platform about, oh, I just read this last chapter they just released. I can't believe they did that. There are lots of people who love reading and love interacting. They love, engaging with the written word. It's delicious to them. But you need to be consistent with blogging. But I'm telling you, that saying that they say Nigerians don't read is a lie. Many Nigerians read, and those who read are really committed. Once they get a hold of your content and they can see that it's consistent, you will have a lot of loyal and committed followers. The sixth point, we're now getting to the end of this, is affiliate marketing. So if you've done the e-commerce, you've done the dropshipping, you've done any of these portals where you sell services or goods, you can also add affiliate links for additional items, for instance, that can help them to either engage with your content better or as add-ons to things that you already sell. So for instance, if you sell pajamas, but you've decided, I know a lady who sells gifts, but she says she's never had the gifting to sell shoes. She just believes she can never sell shoes, and that's fine, but she can have an affiliate link to people who sell shoes. So she's made a decision that I will sell other things, but I won't sell shoes. You know what? Create a link to people who only sell shoes, whose focus is on children's shoes, adult shoes. So that's an opportunity there, and you get a slice of what is sold when you do affiliate marketing. Likewise, you can also have them link back to you, partner with someone who says, I don't sell clothes, I don't sell fabric, I only sell shoes. You can vice versa benefit. So you're basically collaborating in a way online. So affiliate marketing is another way. Even for people who are providing thought knowledge, you can provide affiliate links for books, for courses, for other people's courses in your links, and they'll give you a commission for every person that you bring in. Now, because you stayed this long, I have a bonus one for you, and that is social media marketing. Now, with social media marketing, you may not be the one who has the idea. You are not the one who has the goods. You're not the one who has the service. Your service is helping people who don't know how to market and sell online to deliver that. That is a very necessary service. So whether it's from posting all their goods online, developing, a calendar so that they can be released, creating engagement and interest, creating ads and running ads. All of that interface is a surface that can be provided. So if you're really good, maybe you've run a few businesses, and as a result of that, you've had to, because of your online businesses, understand how it works, how the advertising works, how it connects with the SEO, how it connects with the type of content, how it connects with the video quality and all of that. You have a service that's really, really needed right now. And that's an opportunity for you as well. So there you have it, 6 online income streams. Well, actually 7. Which one do you think connects to you? I'd really love to hear that down in the comments below. So thank you for listening today. And as I always say, stay humble and learn. Bye for now.